Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special project in store for you. We'll be creating a beautiful bow fascinator using a gold woven mat. This technique involves wrapping a fishing line monofilament around the center for a polished look. Let's dive right in. Start by taking the gold woven mat. Take a fishing line monofilament and wrap it tightly around the center of the mat, creating a secure hold. Make several wraps to ensure it is firmly held together. Now that the center is secured, it's time to attach the bow to a thin Alice band. Position the bow on the Alice band, making sure it is centered and aligned to your liking. Use the fishing line monofilament to securely tie the bow to the Alice band, creating a neat and professional finish. Now secure the bow to the Alice band. At that point in the middle, you want to wrap the fishing line round that point to firmly hold the bow to the Alice band. Then continue to secure the bow to the Alice band at the other side. Now you want to adjust the look to ensure it looks nice like a bow. To complete the fascinator, tie a bow using a ribbon or a piece of fabric. Choose a color that is similar to the mat. Wrap the ribbon around the center of the bow and tie it in a tight knot. Trim any excess ribbon for a clean look. You can also burn the ends with a lighter just to secure the ribbon and to prevent it from loosening. You have just created a stunning bow fascinator using the gold woven mat and a fishing line monofilament. Thank you for joining me today in this exciting DIY adventure. I hope you enjoyed making this fascinator with me and that it adds a touch of elegance to your style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY projects. See you in my next video.